Welcome to QIPANG. Our company is located in Shanghai. It is near to the airport and subway station, so the transportation is very convenient. Our company focuses on the cable wire production line for power cable, building cable, insulation sheath cable, and other kinds of cables. Main products includes winding machine, payoff machine, cable hauling machine, wire accumulator, extruder machine, wire twisting machine, auxiliary equipment, inspection instrument and accessories, such as rolling ring drive and wire guiding pulleys for winding machine. We have rich export experience, can deliver goods in short time, and properly arrange the goods by sea shipping and air freight. Our cooperative factory have several technology patents. We have the ability to provide customized machine according to your parameter requirements, and to keep fast production and delivery. We can also provide you solutions for rewinding production lines. In the meantime, we provide complete after-sales service system, including long-term warranty, video technical guidance, and 24 hours online after-sales service. And it is expected to open local after-sales service in the future. Our cooperative factory have a R&D team with 5 people. Our company have 3 people of domestic and foreign sales representatives. After-sales service personnel, 5 people. Our company has been established a good relationship with customers from America, Russia, Italy, Vietnam, and others. We cherish the opportunity to communicate with you and hope to establish good business relationship with you.